Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Live application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it and then go to update at the left bottom. And now checking for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here you will see a button download and install, and you just tap on it. Also you can check for updates again if you don't believe that's first time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.